Hello and welcome to AutoSimple DIY. To introduce myself, I am Marcus. Mark, or AKA Mustang Mark. Tell you why be called Mustang Mark? Because I'm all about Mustangs. I like other cars, but I had 3 Mustangs in my lifetime. Firstly, 1995 SN95 Mustang. Was it 95? Yeah, it was a 95. The last of 5.0s until the new one come out, which I'm definitely in love with. So pretty much sit up a little bit. So pretty much to get to the point, 95 Mustang 5.0. 90, then I had a 92 LX with the I forgot the green color. I gotta remember the green. It's like an emerald green or like a turquoise green. It's more turquoise. I like that, Joe. I wish it was the hatchback, but I wish it was a notchback. And also I currently have an 03 Mach 1 that's gonna be in the process of Coyote swap, F-150 Coyote swap. So that's going to be a little process. We got things going on, so that's going to be cool. Everybody's going to think it's a Mach 1 with the 4.6 4-valve regular. It just sound good. Mach 1 engine, I ain't fast, but it's surprising with a Coyote. But yeah, so talk a little bit about myself. This is my introductory video. I am a car enthusiast. I've been in the automotive industry for some years. Currently not in it now. Changed a little occupation. I am a community college of Philadelphia. Got my associates in automotive technology, which is applied science in the automotive technology world. And I also had my shop for some years. It was a good learning experience. One day they tell you is what you learn in school, when you hit the real world, it ain't the same at all. So you get all the book knowledge, you get your whatever in-class knowledge, but once you hit the shop or a garage that somebody owns, or you're in a dealership, you think you know a lot from reading books, but it's totally different when you got cars that you haven't worked on, and pretty much just symptoms going on. You did diagnosing, because honestly sometimes a car might have the same issue but display different symptoms because sensors and all that stuff, and how not every car is built the same pretty much. So it was a wake-up call being a young person, getting into a shop, pretty much doing what I learned in school, but it just had to be a different approach because real world issues and simulated issues in the technical school, kind of has been fabricated for you to figure it out. So your teacher might pull the sensor for you to figure out, maybe say he pulled a plug that you might not see to see if you can diagnose a random misfire. So things are simulated in that world for you to be able to pick up on a little different. But when you have customers coming in with cars and stuff, it's a bit different. So to all inspiring technicians, That's what you should be called, not mechanic, although mechanic, yes, is a correct term, but in school, we went by technician because you more are a doctor when it comes to working on these cars. And that's the thing, what people don't understand. People call you a mechanic or whatever, but when you get out of school, they pump your head up, hey, you're a technician, because you're diagnosing things with highly sophisticated computers. You're diagnosing things with your highly sophisticated brain, as in sometimes you can diagnose stuff with your knowledge, troubleshooting, with just using your intellect. And with me, that was a lot of scan tools, but I didn't have like that big boy Snap-on $8,000, $10,000 scan tools, $20,000. However, they get expensive. Maybe they got the Autel, whatever that's coming out now. When I had the shop, the Autel wasn't there, which is like $1,000 something. But that's a bit about me, as in how what I would bring to this channel, and what my aim is for this channel is pretty much to help people. Mainly, it's not all about like repairing cars and all that stuff, because I'm a car guy. It's going to be reviews and stuff on the newest, hottest car out. You know, whatever you, I guess, build fan base want to talk about, you submit ideas or whatever. But like I said, I'm a car guy like y'all. And if you're not a car guy person yet and you're interested in being a car guy, I'm here. I'm not here for me, I'm here for you. I want to help y'all out with anything. If I don't know it, I'll be honest with you, I can't know everything. Things is a lot more advanced. I'm not in the industry right now. I have a different occupation. The reason why I'm not in the industry, well, like I said, recession, had to close down. Well, actually sell the business. It's family-owned business. I ran this part was the automotive, this part was something else, and things got tough. I had a child, so I had to make decisions, and the automotive industry was, you know what I mean, getting bailouts. So it wasn't too much hiring of how can I put it, technicians to go into dealerships. So had to make a decision. Had a baby on the way, so hey, had to step up, be a father, go another route. But I also currently do work on my family cars, friends' cars, my cars. Like I said, I'll show you some pictures or whatever, a little bit of videos, me messing around with Mach 1, me firing up my old 95 GT after rebuilding the engine, putting AFR heads and cams and all that stuff, the whole works, which that kind of fell through, like I said, hard times, but started up fire. That was one of the best selling cars that I ever owned. Mach 1 probably is the best selling one, that Mach 1. Them 4 valves, they sound amazing. But so my direction of this channel is to help people out who are looking for, even if you're not looking for, to build a base where car community, car culture people can enjoy my videos, I can enjoy connecting with y'all. And if you need me to answer a question that I'm familiar with, or say if I didn't even know the answer and I couldn't give you the answer, I wouldn't have no problem, you know what I mean, figuring out, researching it, whatever, because that's the type of person I am. I mean, but not go too crazy. You got like 1,000 people asking questions. You can't, of course, you can't answer all of them. But I would try to bring some fun. Try to be outgoing. Well, I am outgoing, so try to be outgoing. So, but bring my knowledge of the automotive industry that I've learned over the years, and I still currently learning, because I'm always trying to stay on top of stuff. Can't be on top of everything, because my life has changed with that way. But say, need guides, hey, how you do this, how you do that, I don't know what kind of oil to put in my car, how to do it or whatever. Like say if I'm shopping at Walmart, I'll bring out videos. Hey, this is what you look for, this or that. You go into like automotive shops. If you go to automotive shops, then try to listen to certain things that you can look out for. Try to understand your car a little bit more, even like maintenance based. You gotta need like maintenance based to keep your car running a lot longer. Stay on time intervals, all that stuff. I'm gonna try to help you out and bring some information, whatever topics you need me to try to get a handle on of understanding. Hey, this is what the channel is about. So it's for, you know what I mean, auto simple DIYs, and that means you don't have to pay people to do the job for you. Although I would love, as being the technician, the shop owner, you will want people to not know what's going on with the cars, and so see, that means in a way more money will come this direction, because more people will want a technician, mechanic, or whatever to fix the car, because they don't know what they're doing. But even though when I had a shop, I wasn't there to cheat anybody. I would hear all the stories from all the mechanics, technicians, whatever, how you want to call it, how they screw people over. And that wasn't how I wanted to run my business. Even if I lost money, was to lose money that day and not get a sale, you just couldn't cheat a person when I know it was something simpler, or sitting there bull crapping on a car knowing that the job only takes 20 minutes to do, and you sitting there trying to charge for 4 hours. That wasn't me. I try to do what's best for the people, and what this channel is, I'm trying to do the best I can for you, because I'm here for you. I want to start this channel just to be starting this channel. I'm just that person. So like I said, this channel ain't, like I said, try to do some car reviews. Definitely in the mix of starting a blog. So it's to help out the average person who's not, or anybody, pretty much anybody is looking for information on how to navigate, even going to, like I said, going to the auto parts store, or searching particular websites that you can possibly find a good deal, or understand, and what is this part for? What does this part do? And see, so let's go back to the technician versus mechanics. Mechanics is pretty much, they say when being a mechanic is just, all right, possibly this is the part that's not working. So let's just replace that part and hopefully it fixes the problem. A technician diagnoses why did that problem fail. That's the difference between the mechanic and the technician. The technician takes the more doctor approach, and sometimes even doctors suck at their job. But technician is, what is the reason why this part failed? Mechanic is, all right, that seems like that's an O2 sensor, or just make an example, such. Let's replace those 2 sensors, and hopefully it works. Sometimes, a lot of times you can get away with that. A lot of times it really is the part, but you got O2 sensor readings, catalytic converter issues, exhaust leaks, whatever, misfiring, all this other stuff. There's many things that can set something off. Sensor be saying this, but it's something else that's causing the issue. So that's the difference between a mechanic and a technician. A technician does the diagnostics of figuring out the root cause of the issue, and if that sensor code is caused by the sensor itself, or is it being caused by something else. Okay? Now that it came to my mind, there we go. So, like I said, it's my introductory video. Like I said, I am Mustang Mark, and like I said, I'm gonna bring hopefully some good to your life. Make things a little easier when it comes to working on your cars. You will have some videos of me working on cars. And you'll definitely have some videos on topics that I would like to touch base on. And I hope you enjoy. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned. Next video coming up.